So now I'm going to explain what is what. First, I will explain DJI Osmo Action combo. So you can see here, these are accessories and this is Osmo Action 4. Let's open Osmo Action 4. So we have a case in here. These are the two mounting screws. We can mount these screws with the mounts to the camera, and this is a curved surface mount. We can mount this on any curved surface with this adhesive they provided, and we can use it. We can mount our camera to it. And this is quick release magnetic cold shoe. You can see this is from DJI. So we can attach this to the extension rod and we can connect the camera here to the magnet. And this is case. It will give protection to camera. It will also give an extra side to mount. It will give buttons here and here. So normally camera will have mount in the bottom and this case will have mount in the side. So we can use the camera portrait or in the landscape mode. Now we are gonna see the camera. This is the DJI Action 4, DJI Osmo Action 4 camera. Here we are gonna have battery. Normally battery will come in other case. I have installed it in here. So this is the battery, 1770 mAh. We also have micro SD card slot here. I already installed the micro SD card slot. And I'm gonna putting the battery back. So this is Osmo Action 4. Now we are gonna see accessories box. What are the accessories we have here? So we have another cold shoe magnetic mount. So this will have short legs and this will have long legs. DJI is providing two mounts with camera, and this is a C to C type cable. So we can charge the camera with this. We can transfer files also. This is anti-slip pad. We can use this to prevent slipping between mounts. This is an extra hood without glass. Normally, camera will have a camera hood with the glass. If suppose in case we lose this, we can use this hood temporarily, but it won't be waterproof without the glass. Let's put it inside. And the next thing we have is our battery case, DJI battery case. It's gonna hold 3 batteries in here. You can see 2 batteries are already here and one I'm using in the camera. We can charge 3 batteries simultaneously with C-type in here. We can use 1 battery and these 2 are gonna be charging in the while. So in this case we are gonna have good charge and we're gonna shoot long videos. And we have 1.5 meter extension rod from DJI. So you're gonna see we can extend this. We can mount our camera here and we can extend our rod as much as we want. And this, we can use this as a selfie stick and we can use this as a tripod as well. We can mount this to tripod which is having a 1/4 screw. So this is our action adventure combo. Now we are gonna see DJI Mini Mic. So this is DJI Mini Mic here. We are gonna open this. They have a nice pouch here and a good zipper too. Let's see what we have. This is Type A to Type C cable to charge the Mic Mini. This is aux cable to connect to other cameras, to any other devices. So these are windscreens provided with the mic. So we can use these windscreens to prevent wind from recording in the video. They provided 2 pairs and I already installed 1 pair to the mic. I'm gonna show that. This is a pair and this is our DJI Mic Mini case. So you are gonna see here one transmitter. We will have two transmitters and one receiver and one C-type adapter here. So I'm right now shooting the video with this DJI Mic Mini only. So we have only one receiver here with windscreen attached so that it will decrease the wind from recording. So that's it for the video.